Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Morning Garden, and we're back at it again. Let me show you what we got here. This is my seed tray in the garage, and what we got here is a bag here, and see the seed starts in it. Now, I had a problem because I had a heat mat under it. Check your heat mats and make certain that those heat mats are working properly. I had one on here that was a little too cold. This is okra, and you can see it's already started. The ones that are here in this corner is the spineless, and the ones that are here in this corner is the burgundy okra. So that's doing pretty good. And over here, a nice lady gave these to me a while back. It's bok choy. And look how they're growing. These need to go under light because they're getting lanky. See that? Can you see it? Can you see it, folks? All right. And send me any messages or any comments you want to about this. Now, here's what we got. It's a tray. And the reason why it's just now what I had to replant these here because I don't trust it. This is Big Jim's peppers. And see the date that I put them in there, nothing was showing. Nothing was protruding as they was growing. And we got a sandwich bag, very cheap sandwich bag because you don't need a heavy duty. Sandwich bag, cheap. And you take your old pots and a rubber band, put it around the area so it'll hold the pot on with the plastic bag, and that's it. And that's what you do. And that allowed the plant to be able to grow a good 4 inches high before you have to change it out or remove the bag from the top. A lot of these didn't come up. Got to be honest with you about that. A lot of them did not come up, and due to the fact this garage here got very, very cold. And so I put I'm waiting on some to come in the mail, some heat mats, because the ones that I had, the one I had on this one will get lukewarm. Check your heat mats. Make sure that they're working properly. The heat mat I had was 10 years old and it did not work properly. Do not allow your plants to die because your heat mat you've had for 7 or 10 years. So they wear out. So we're going to keep these growing. And another time I'll give you an update on them. I got pickles growing. But the plants, a lot of the plants are so small, you can't really tell what they're doing. Now here's another one. I was really just put in a few days ago. And this is sugar cane. There's one of the seedlings right there. These are sugar cane. And now that they're under the proper heat, they should start being more. Now that's spelled wrong, folks. I know. I was writing it in a hurry, real quick hurry, and misspelled it. But you know, it's sugar cane. All right, now eggplant. Let's see how that look out. Now eggplant is a funny one because they require quite a bit of heat. And see, nothing is showing in this eggplant. Nothing. So I'm probably gonna have to replant these. All right, folks. This is a quick look at my seed tray. And there we go. And I got another heat mat under there. We'll see how it works out. It's an older heat mat as well, but I'm waiting for my new heat mats to come in the mail. But these heat mats this heat mat that's under it really gets hot. So I'm going to see how that works out. Thank you. And remember, if you have any questions, leave comments. Leave comments. Subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff, because I am here to help you save money and here to help you learn how to grow food. This is the Morning Gardener.